What would you do if the internet disappeared forever tomorrow? What would happen to our daily lives, technologies, jobs, and even the global economy if, for any reason, the entire internet suddenly shut down forever? Just imagine, you wake up one morning, grab your phone, but there's no Instagram, no Google, no WhatsApp, even GPS doesn't work. The internet is gone, forever. Now what? What does a world without the internet even look like?
People desperately searching for Wi-Fi. Smart homes shut down. Voice assistants don't respond. People lost without navigation. No more video calls or social media. So many things we've come to rely on, from smart homes to staying connected with loved ones. Suddenly, everyone is destroyed.
Also, offices of Google, Amazon, and local e-commerce shut down. Stock markets crashing, crypto plummeting, Uber and food delivery apps going turn off. Imagine every internet-based job disappearing overnight. Programmers, freelancers, online stores, even banks crippled in an instant. Can we replace the internet? Yes. Intro to Starlink, satellite internet, decentralized networks like mesh systems, a glimpse at quantum internet as a futuristic concept. Could anything truly replace the internet? Maybe, but not anytime soon. We're more dependent on the internet than we ever realized. Maybe it's time to rethink how we live. What about you? If the internet disappeared tomorrow, how would you live? Tell us in the comments. Thank you for watching the video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.